Did you know that seal coating your parking lot will extend the life of your pavement, which will save you money and enhance your curb appeal? And did you know that in Houston, AdvantaKleen Seal Coat and Striping is the leader in both seal coating and striping? At AdvantaKleen Seal Coat and Striping, we do it all from parking lot striping, sealing, pressure washing, and more. We even install car stops, signs, and posts. Just getting started with your business? We'll lay out the perfect parking lot design for you, whether your lot needs cleaned, repaired, or replaced. Our experts can do it. Since 2001, we've been serving Houston and beyond, and we're here to serve you. Go ahead and protect your asphalt from UV sunlight, moisture, and gasoline, and get your lot seal coated. After all, a nice parking lot will show your customers just how professional you really are. Give us a call today at 832-347-0993.